4 spiritual insights from the Bhagavad Gita for using AI ethically and responsibly. Understanding the self. The Gita emphasizes the importance of self-knowledge and the recognition that the true self is distinct from the body and mind. In the context of AI, this could mean recognizing that AI systems are not truly conscious or self-aware, even if they can perform complex tasks and simulate human-like behaviors. It may also mean being mindful of the potential impact of AI on human self-understanding and identity. Acting with detachment. The Gita teaches the importance of performing actions without being attached to the outcomes or rewards. In the context of AI, this could mean developing and using AI systems with a sense of detachment, focusing on the ethical and moral implications of their use rather than solely on their potential benefits or profits. Balancing material and spiritual pursuits. The Gita advocates for a balance between material and spiritual pursuits. In the context of AI, this could mean using AI to help address material concerns such as poverty, hunger, and disease, while also being mindful of the potential impact on human spiritual growth and well-being. Practicing selfless service. The Gita teaches the importance of selfless service or acting for the benefit of others without seeking personal gain. In the context of AI, this could mean developing and using AI systems that are designed to benefit humanity as a whole, rather than primarily serving the interests of a particular group or organization.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a thumbs up. Your support helps me to continue creating more content like this. Thanks for watching.